You've probably heard of Web 3.0 and, more likely, Web 3. Tim Berners-Lee discusses Web 3 since the end of the 1990s. These two terms can confuse us today. Let's talk about Web 3.0 and Web 3 today. What are the meaning, difference, and concepts? Let's start with the crucial difference in meanings. Web 3.0 is semantic web. Web 3 is an idea for a new iteration of the web which incorporates concepts such as decentralization, blockchain technologies, and token-based economics. The goal of the semantic web is to make internet data machine-readable. The goal of Web 3 is to provide increased data security, scalability, and privacy for users, and combat the influence of large technology companies. Also, there is a difference in technologies. Web 3 uses blockchain technology, while in Web 3.0, certain data interchange technologies like RDF, SPARQL, OWL, and SKOS are used. Data in Web 3 is difficult to modify or delete since it is scattered across multiple nodes. However, data in Web 3.0 can be changed effortlessly. Web 3 and Web 3.0 also have similar things. Both Web 3 and Web 3.0 are similar in names. Both Web 3 and Web 3.0 aim to create a better version of the Internet by maintaining users' control over their data. Both Web 3 and Web 3.0 are still under construction, in their nascent stage. Let's look at Web 3.0 and history in more detail. But before we make a brief overview of the history of the web. So, the first inception of Berners-Lee's creation, now known as Web 1.0, occurred roughly between 1990 to 2004. Web 1.0 was mainly static websites owned by companies, and there was close to zero interaction between users. Individuals seldom produced content, leading to it being known as the read-only web. Web 2.0 emerged in 2004 with the introduction of social media platforms. Instead of companies providing content to users, everyone became empowered to share their own ideas and thoughts through various platforms. Comprehended as the next generation of the web, Web 3.0 is the executable web or read-write-execute version of the web. It is also known as semantic web and is an extension of the World Wide Web that uses standards set by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C. It aims to make the Internet smarter by handling information with human-like intelligence using artificial intelligence systems. Tim Berners-Lee coined the term semantic web, which refers to a version of the web that can connect everything at the data level. He stated that with the emergence of the semantic web, the day-to-day mechanisms of trade, bureaucracy, and our daily lives will be handled by machines talking to machines. The intelligent agents people have touted for ages will finally materialize. In the present-day Internet, there are information silos. For instance, the information you upload on LinkedIn will not be automatically updated on Facebook or Twitter because they are not linked. Berners-Lee aimed to connect all the information by linking web pages and making them interoperable so that no one ever needed to upload their information separately on different online platforms. From the discussion above, it's easy to infer that although people connect Web 3.0 with Web 3, they are not the same. Let us now move forward and understand the concept of Web 3. Web 3 is a decentralized and open web based on blockchain technology. Coined by the Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood in 2014, the fundamental idea behind Web 3 is to create a decentralized version of the Internet by removing the dominance of the centralized power of Web 2.0 giants like Amazon and Facebook and giving the control back to users. Web 3 hopes to reclaim data ownership from Web 2 giants and return it to users using blockchain technology, decentralized storage, and self-sovereign identity in a community-driven environment. Users will have the final say regarding who can access what data. This has been made possible by cryptocurrency wallets like MetaMask, Venly, or Trust Wallet, where users store keys to all of their data and identities. They may engage with other blockchain apps in this way and control who has access to their data. Using a crypto wallet to log into other apps is similar to using a Facebook account, except that all your data is yours to keep and manage. The core idea of Web 3 is removing intermediaries, examples are directly connecting content creators and content consumers, eliminating third parties and transactions. While the key idea of Web 3.0 is continuing the evolution of the web, for example, evolving to a semantic web to make web content more machine-readable. Even though the semantic web concept seems logical, it never attained mainstream popularity. Web 3, on the other hand, is currently in the spotlight owing to the benefits offered by decentralization, digital assets, smart contracts, open-source platforms, etc. With growing use cases and real-life applications, Web 3 seems to be the need of the hour, possessing the potential to revamp every aspect of our lives. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to watch new videos.